here, for today's video, gagawin natin yung Korean style see-through bangs. Bibigyan ko kayo ng tutorial, guys. This is really how I cut my bangs and I want to show you guys. Pasensya na guys if medyo off yung volume kasi wala akong gamit na mic ngayon and ang lakas na tunog ng aircon. The reason why wala akong gamit na mic ngayon kasi hindi ko makita sarili ko kapag may mic. And actually, gagamitin ko yung viewfinder as my mirror kasi wala na akong mapaglagyan ng mirror ko. So, while I'm doing this, I'm actually also doing a TikTok video. Kaya yung tripod, ayan, nandyan sa phone ko. Also, recording what I'm doing right now. So, to cut my bangs, I actually only need 3 items. Itong scissors, of course, suklay, and itong, ano ba tawag dito? Rollers. Itong roller. Tagal ko nang ginagamit to since I was in college pa. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. So, first things first, kailangan yung hati ng buhok ko is nasa gitna. Okay, so now na nasa gitna na yung hati ng buhok ko, I'm just going to get my old bangs. And then, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko dinidivide yung hair ko para makuha ko yung see-through bangs. So guys, ito yung bangs ko before. And I just want to show you na parang pa-letter C yung nakuha kong buhok dito. Actually, you guys can adjust this. Yung iba, parang pa-V lang yung kinukuha nila. Most common, pa-V lang. But since malapad yung noo ko, maraming kailangan space na takpan. Kaya, marami ako kinukuha na buhok. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, check nyo muna guys kung sa tingin nyo, tamang-tama na siya sa space ng noo nyo, ganyan. Ayan. So, para sa akin, as you guys can see, tamang-tama lang yung ganito. So, kahit na mukhang parang marami siya, actually, tamang-tama lang siya sa akin. First is to check if tama lang yung matatakpan dun sa noo nyo. And second is to check kung gaano kakapal yung hair nyo. Kasi pag masyadong makapal or masyadong marami kang kinuhang buhok, may chance na hindi siya maging see-through. So, yun yung mga factors na titingnan nyo. After that, itong hair na to, i-divide ko rin into 3. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 parts and yung gitnang part, yun lang muna yung uunahin natin i-cut. So, for now, hanggang dito lang muna ako sa ilong ko magka-cut, guys. Ayan, so ito na yung na-cut natin. Pero guys, if beginner kayo, I don't suggest yung cutting your bangs ng ganito kahaba agad, one time. It's just that, alam ko lang talaga yung length ko na dito ako nagka-cut sa may taas ng ilong ko banda. So, if you're a beginner, dahan-dahanin nyo muna and then, saka mo na lang i-trim ng i-trim paakyat. Which, I will show you guys kung paano in a few after this. Okay, so ngayon na nakat na natin yung gitnang part, the next step is yung side bangs. So, para mag-blend in yung gitnang bangs mo sa side bangs mo, dapat pa-slant yung cut nitong side bangs. And medyo magsama ka ng onte dito, and then pa-slant mo din siya ika-cut. From my own preference lang, gusto ko yung side bangs ko, marami din siyang layers. So, ang ginagawa ko, kuha lang ako ng onting part, and then kumukuha rin ako ng onting part dito sa gitna, and then ginugupit ko siya pa side. Then, kukunin ko na yung natitira, tapos gugupitin ko rin siya ng pa side. Careful lang dito sa side bangs guys kasi hindi maganda yung parang masyadong makapal yung itsura niya. Kaya maganda kapag marami siyang layers. satisfied with this length. Ayan yung side bangs ko, and then ito yung nasa gitna. To make it more natural and more professional looking, kasi hindi naman tayo professional hairstylist, ginagawa ko guys, kinakat ko yung ends ng pataas. Kasi that way, parang nalilayered siya. Okay, so na-achieve ko na yung gusto kong style, guys. The only thing left is to check if magiging see-through bangs ba talaga siya or kailangan ko pa ba siyang iksian. So, to do that, I grab my roller kasi ito yung pang-style ko. And gumagamit din ako nito, guys, to give volume to my bangs. Kaya medyo mahaba din yung paggupit ko kasi once nag-roller na ako, umaakyat lalo yung bangs ko at mas lalo siya umiigsi. So, let's check it out. Yung side bangs ko nga pala, guys, hindi ko siya ni-roller. So, if you have time, I suggest 2 to 3 minutes. I-stay nyo muna yung roller dyan sa bangs nyo. But, if you don't have time and nagmamadali ka na, grab a blow dryer and then blow dry yung bangs nyo a little bit. That way, it will give a little bit of heat. And then, pag tinanggal nyo, okay na siya. And mas mabilis siya na process. So, now, siguro naka 1 minute pa lang tayo. So, tanggalin na natin. And let's see. Okay, so that's the result. And that's how you'll check if tama talaga yung nakat nyo. In my case, I think masyado pa siyang mahaba. So, ikakat ko na lang siya ng pataas. That's also my tip for beginners, yung gantong pagkat instead of yung paganto. Kasi yung paganto, maraming chances na masyado mong maiksian yung hair mo. Okay, so once again, I'm going to put this sa hair ko. And then, let's just wait a few minutes. Okay, so I think mga naka 1 minute na ako. So, I'm ready to see how my bangs look like. Ayan guys, so this is the perfect length for me. Bahala na kayo if gusto nyo pang iksian. Pero para sa akin, tamang-tama na to. Gusto ko kasi yung nandito lang siya above my eyes. As in, super above my eyes lang talaga. Kaya, before, nung may bangs ako everyday, parang halos every week ko yata siyang ginugupitan. Kasi pag umaabot na siya sa eyelashes ko, that's the time I know na kailangan ko na siyang i-cut. Ayan guys, yung purpose nga pala ng may side bangs is para mas mukha siyang natural. Lalo na if magtatali kayo ng hair. Ganyan, ganyan. Ayan. So, dito sa gilid, parang medyo mas natural siya. Imbis na ganyan lang. Diba? Parang hindi naman maganda. So, yun. I'm really satisfied with how my bangs turned out. And I feel like mas mukha akong mas bata kapag may bangs ako. But, I'm not sure if it's true. So, leave me a comment down below if totoo, guys. And then, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.